Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. We're out here on another home tour. Felt compelled to grab the camera, shoot a video, and show you this. If you've been following along, last week we talked about the Camdenton area. We talked about the pros, the cons, why people are moving here, things to think about, like all of that stuff that comes along with Camdenton. And then we happen to have some folks in town shopping, very interested in the Camdenton area for all of those reasons. One of the main components for these folks is they have kiddos in school, right? So you got the Camdenton K through 12 school district. You know, again, obviously, if you have kiddos in school, you're looking at either Osage or Camdenton. So we've shown them some properties up in Osage. Now we're down in this area. Felt compelled to kind of show this property a little bit. It has some unique components to it, some pros, some cons. Again, these are just things that we want to try to show you. If you're traveling in from out of town and you have maybe 3-4 days to get around the lake and take a look at some homes, this is the kind of component that we want to show you. So I'm here right now. Michael's inside getting all the lights turned on and getting the home ready. The clients are going to be driving here in a little bit. But while we're waiting for them, I thought I would shoot a video, show a home in Camdenton and kind of what this looks like, a price point of home. The back has a unique component to it. So it's a lakefront property, but we'll talk about the lakefront access here in a little bit. The other problem we're dealing with right now is weather. So we got downpour rain. I don't know if you can hear it, but downpour rain happening. Your typical Midwestern thunderstorms all morning, kind of all week. But nevertheless, it's not going to slow us down, right? So we're still out here. We'll wait on these clients. I'm going to show you this property the best I can. We'll walk through it here in a second. We'll find Michael. We'll talk about some specs. But this Camdenton area is obviously very, very popular for the location, convenience to grocery stores and amenities, and easy access around the lake. So like right now, if we want to pull up a map of the lake, you have Highway 54 that goes through Camdenton, and then you have Highway 5 that goes out towards the west. And if you keep heading out west on Highway 5, you run into Highway 7. So this property is kind of right on the intersection area of Highway 5 and Highway 7, off the beaten path, clearly down by the water. So you would head off onto the side roads, make your way down to the water, and that's where this property is located. But being located here, again, it goes back to the ease and convenience of why people like Camdenton, right? We want to be close to the amenities and grocery stores and all the things and the restaurants. Again, these folks coming in from out of town, they have kiddos, so we need school districts, K through 12 Camdenton School District, and so that's one of their big components, and they would love to have lakefront, but they're also open to some other things. So this property is brand new, right? New construction in Camdenton, decent price point, and you're gonna have a uniqueness to the back, which some people might not mind. Other people, it's gonna be a deal breaker for. So we'll show you that. We'll deal with these elements as we go. I'm not gonna go through and like show the entire home. We're gonna walk through kind of the front door, you know, dining and kitchen area. We'll find Michael out back and he'll talk a little bit more about this property and some of the things. But if you're looking to relocate, if you're traveling in from out of town, again, this is kind of what it looks like. We want to set up these showings. We want to get as much showings and road time as we can to show you the lake and different areas, things to think about, all those pros and cons that we want to do. I think for these guys, we have about 6 properties that we're looking at today. We've got more tomorrow, and then I think they're out of town after that. But that's the component, right? We set up the showings. We can pick you up, or you can kind of come meet us out at the house. So we're going to walk through the property a little bit. We're going to go find Michael. I'm sure he's out on the back deck somewhere. Let's walk through. Let's go find him. Let's check out this property. So clearly, as you can see, this is a gorgeous home. So back to being a new build, no one's lived in it, amazing finishes, bright, creative in a lot of things that they do. So we're not going to go into a ton of details on that, but it gives you an idea of what you can get in this area. And as you can tell off the back deck here, you got the lake right down there, which is still going to be challenging, right? We are still kind of up on a cliff. And so carving a path down to the water is going to be tricky. And then once you get down there, it does have lakefront access, but again, it's going to be tricky to get power down there. Could be a deal breaker for some people, but we're going to walk through here. One of the components to this property is that deck right here. But as we're dealing with elements and dealing with rain, the cool part about this is you have a second deck, or basically the same deck but you have the screened in covered porch. There's my man, Michael. You got this screened in covered porch. So as we deal with the elements of weather and rain, bugs this time of year, a little bit, and bugs are always a component. But as you deal with weather, rain, bugs, like it's really cool to have this screened in area. So Michael, I just got done kind of talking about, we're in the Camdenton area, super conveniently located to like Highway 5 and 7, and obviously getting up into Osage. But tell us a little bit about this property. What are we looking at? Price point, bedrooms, all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, everybody. So I tell you, a little rain this morning, not a huge deal, but this screened-in porch is phenomenal. And have no fear, it's going to clear and be an amazing day.
Yep.
So we are in Camdenton and Boyd Estates. This house is 4 bedrooms, 5 baths, brand new construction, 4,600 square feet. It's a 2-story house with a full walkout basement that is set up for multi-generational living, or if one chooses, they could use it as a short-term rental, potentially, right? The other piece says that's really unique about this property is it's technically lakefront with 149 feet of lakefront, with a second-tier view of the 33-mile mark. Another huge bonus to this property is it's 2.5 acres, plus or minus. So if one wanted to expand, if one wanted to do a detached garage, maybe for RVs or toys or whatnot, they could do that. Phenomenal home, beautiful home, again, brand new construction.
Yeah, it's a great point. So being brand new construction, I like the fact that you kind of sit up on this cliffside a little bit. You have an amazing view, but there will be some challenges to get down to the water.
Yeah, for sure.
Create a dock or lake life. So as I was talking about it up front right there, that's either going to be a make or break, right? It's either a deal breaker for some people or maybe it's not, but that would be a challenging piece to try to get a dock and carve a path, right?
So we've spoken to a couple of resources on this because we have had some clients that were interested in this house. So what would have to happen is one would need to carve a path down, whether you carve it down with gravel and or concrete, either for a carve path down. But the bigger challenge is getting power down there. So there's a company down here at the lake that does solar for docks. So you could have solar for your lighting, solar for your lip, potentially. But the third challenge is the way that the property sits in this cove, it's incredibly tight to get a boat in. Yeah. Yes, it's 149 foot of lakefront, which is technically true. It might be a challenge for someone. An alternative solution that we're working with some of our clients on is there are 3 marinas within 2 miles of here, maybe 3 miles on the outside. They always have slips available. Some have lifts available. And also there's some new ones being built around the area for situations like this, where if you want to put a boat in a marina, so you just drive back and forth, and there's one, the 5 and 65 marina is super close by. It may be close enough to do a side-by-side, but don't quote me on that.
Yeah. But that makes a lot of sense. So we've done some tours before. I remember that property in Lynn Creek that was an amazing home, but it was also a community dock. Yeah. So that's okay. There are some alternative choices where if you can't have direct lakefront access, even though this is an amazing view and kind of priceless, but amazing view, you do have the water in front of you, but maybe it's not as much access as you want. There are marinas, there are other options, but I'd imagine that because of that reason, the price point of the home is maybe a little bit more affordable too. So what is the price point of this one?
So this one's priced at $760,000, 7 brand new construction.
Yep.
If this were really truly usable lakefront, you'd be pushing $1 million, if not more.
Yeah.
Especially for new construction, we're saying 1.2 to 1.3 in the price points. So it really could be a discount for someone to get into the lake for a beautiful property, a well-built property with a couple of alternatives from the lake access.
Yeah, so $760 on a price point, but if it was direct lakefront, had a big dock, like you're pushing close to 7 figures for a property like this. And, I don't think the camera obviously does the justice on the inside when you have new construction and new finishes. And man, they've done a really, really good job. And the basement of this property it's its own living quarters. There's a garage access down there. There's a full kitchen. Again, you could put in-laws or parents down there, or again, you could rent it out for short-term rentals for people coming into town. So super unique property. And obviously we like it when there's covered porches on rainy days and protects you from the weather, and for sure going to protect you from the bugs come this time of year too. So cool. So hey gang, right, we just again wanted to try to bring a little bit more content to the channel. We talked about the Camdenton area. We just happened to be out here waiting for some clients today. There's a lot of choices, a lot of options when you get into this area, right? Again, you can have some investment opportunities with the mid hundreds on some properties, and obviously you can climb into the 7 figures really easy with some stuff. But this property being very unique, new construction, lakefront access at a very affordable price. We have some clients showing up here in a little bit, so we'll kind of see what they think. But that's the purpose of coming down to the lake and trying to see as much as you possibly can, right? It's one thing to shop from a distance and look online and try to gather as much information. Of course, it's different when you come here. So when you do make the trip, we want to try to make it as productive as possible. These folks coming into town are here for what, 3-4 days? We have, I think, 12 or 13 different properties that we're looking at. We set you up on a home search specific to what you're looking for. When you come into town, we're efficient with our time. We want to show you the lake. We want to show you some homes. Probably want to show you a little fun along the way too. So hope this was helpful. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Let us know if there's other areas of the lake that you want to see. We're going to get back to waiting for these folks to show up, but call me, text me, email me. Let us know what we can do to help you with your home search. And until then, we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.